What's up? They're skating.
I thought he was waiting.
I'd enchant.
He's already like around. Wait, he's right there. Hey, hold on, let me see. Hi.
You got it. Good job.
Oh, what? What? It's like a parade and they're leaving.
That's sick. Wow. That's so cool. They're in air balloons and fireworks. Wow. It's like fireworks?
Fireworks.
Wow.
Aww.
Is that cool or what?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Oh, we're going down?
I got it.
Yeah.
You can open your eyes. Open.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my. Oh! What? Oh my
A new
god.
iPad?
Can you believe it?
An actual iPad? What?
Oh my god. And this.
Look at.
Oh my god. This is so cool.
What?
Wow.
Wow.
Look at this.
Are those pretty?
Yes.
This is so cool.
I love this.
Braxton.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What? Is this a carbon fiber? Another box! Oh. Is it another?
You guys on the wrong ends every time.
Okay, good. Do that one. Picture ready? Picture ready? My basketball.
It's yours.
Nice.
Together. All right.
Why does it say to the kids?
Out.
All right. Here's the new hoop. Best Christmas present ever.
Yep.
Nice one, Brian. Go ahead. Yeah, you both made it in the video. Good.
It is shoes. I knew it. Nike.
Oh boy, what shoes did you get?
Video of the whole thing.
This is the camping trip.
Which one is it though?
Yes! Oh my gosh, thank you, but I get white shoes really.
Yes.
What is it?
It's a Kindle, so I can read books.
It's a sweater.
Yay.
Oh, I like it. See-through. Or a spit.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
What?
Yeah, I did it. Color pencil.
You did it what?
And color pencil.
Color pencil.
Are you serious?
That's sweet.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh
Here,
yeah.
Study this here.
Cardinals.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Whoa. What? I wanted this. It was on my flipping list.
Yes. Ziggy out.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Yay!
Robot vacuum.
Is it a vacuum?
Robot vacuum.
Robo vacuum. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these for so